What's up, guys? I'm going to do this as fast as possible. Welcome back to Psych Yard. We got a W126 here. This is a 500 SEL, but that doesn't really matter. This should work for all W126s and C126s. I'm going to be showing you how to remove this wood piece here for the glove box. My goal in making these videos is to help just somebody. I've been working on this car for a while and there's not been a lot of information on it, so I'm just trying to make as much as possible and let's keep these cars on the road as long as possible. So there's 5 screws that hold this wood piece and this handle into the dash. You're going to want to just unscrew these 5. These 3 are for the little latch, you see, and these 2 hold the wood piece on, and it just pops right down. And then this latch is not actually connected to this. They're just like gears. They connect with the teeth. To put it back together, you're going to find it's kind of difficult. So you're going to leave these unscrewed a little bit and have a screwdriver push down in there to put the latch back on. You'll know what I mean if you're trying this yourself. You just need a little thin screwdriver to push the inside mechanism into the latch on there. And that is how you do it. You can get your wood piece off that easily, refinish it. The reason I was doing it was to get it really on there again. This piece was kind of popping off and I was able to move some stuff around in there and glue them around, and now it fits just about perfectly. Like and subscribe. I hope I helped somebody. We got the W126 film coming out pretty soon. It's looking to be about 30-35 minutes long. And get some clothes if you enjoy. I make car art. I make films. I make car renders. Thank you. Have a good day. Like and subscribe.